This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start Nissan Rogue with manual key updated. Insert the manual key into the driver's door and unlock it, then open the door and sit in the driver's seat. Insert the key into the ignition slot, press the brake, and turn the key firmly to start the engine. If the vehicle does not start, try turning the key off and on again, and ensure the battery in the fob is functional. Warm tip: always ensure the driver's door is properly closed and the steering wheel is unlocked before starting. If the key feels stiff, wiggle gently while applying steady pressure to avoid damage. For locks that stick, use a graphite lubricant designed for automotive locks and avoid oil-based sprays that attract dirt. Keep a spare key accessible and test the spare to confirm the issue is not the original key itself. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation and a little humor. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your Rogue smelling great after a long drive. I've linked the product and some other useful deals in the description below, so check there if you want to pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. If your Rogue's immobilizer blocks starting, try holding the keyed fob next to the ignition slot while starting to allow signal recognition. Low fob batteries can cause intermittent detection, so replace the battery with the correct CR2032 or recommended type. If reprogramming seems necessary, a dealer or qualified locksmith can resync the key and vehicle. Keep a record of any error lights and report them when seeking professional help to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.